Today I'm going to be making Japanese classic summer dish, chilled pork salad, also known as reishabu. And I'm going to be serving it with 3 different kinds of sauce so you can enjoy it in your favorite way. This is my go-to recipe during the hot and humid Japanese summer to stay cool and stay healthy. Let's get started. Let's start with preparing the vegetables. You can use any salad of vegetables you like, and today I'm using baby leaves, Mizuna, a tender thin green, and Daikon sprout, which has a peppery kick and great for summer dishes. Trim off the end and remove any remaining seed shells from the Daikon sprout. Cut Mizuna into 2-inch pieces. Wash everything thoroughly in the cold water and place the greens in a salad spinner to remove excess moisture. Keep the vegetables in the fridge to crisp up until we are ready to serve. Now let's make the 3 simple and delicious sauces. The first one is onion sauce. Thinly slice a small red onion and soak in a mix of half a cup of Mentsuyu and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Today I'm using rice bran oil, but you can use any vegetable oil you have on hand. Let it sit until the onion softens and absorb the mellow flavors. And the second one is grated daikon with ponzu. Grated daikon radish and ponzu soy sauce is a classic combination for the hot pot in winter, but it surprisingly goes so well with chilled pork too. The third one is a sesame sauce with peanut butter twist. Mix peanut butter with Mentsuyu and a splash of vinegar to brighten up the flavor, and add ground sesame seed for the extra richness. This one is perfect for if you like the creamy, nutty dressing. Set the sauce aside while we cook the pork. Prepare a bowl of ice water next to your pot. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then reduce the heat just before boiling. Add half a teaspoon of salt, and now gently swish thin slices of pork in the hot water. This technique or motion is called shabu shabu, just like the name of the dish. Cook briefly just until the pork turns white and is no longer pink. And don't overcook. It'll make the pork tough, so as soon as the pork is done, transfer it to the ice water to stop cooking. Drain the pork well and gently pat dry. Place your chilled greens on the plate and top with the cooked pork. Today I'm finishing it with a bit of myoga, the Japanese ginger, because it's the summer solstice here in Japan, and there's a tradition of eating myoga on this day, and is believed to help refresh and revitalize your body during the peak of the summer. And that's it! Your reishabu salad is ready. Enjoy it with your favorite sauce. I personally love the onion Mentsuyu sauce. It brings out the best in the pork. And the contrast between the onion and the pork is so refreshing. Pork and onion are a great match, not just in flavor, but in nutrition too. You can also serve the pork and vegetables over the cold udon noodles for a quick and healthy lunch. It's a great way to enjoy lots of vegetables in one dish. I hope you will give this recipe a try and stay cool and stay healthy this summer. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!